How to transfer money from Safepal to Binance. First, you want to load up the Binance app. Just log into your account here, give it some time to load. And you want to go into the wallet section. So if you want to go to the wallet section, you will click on assets. Then you will select wallet here at the top. Alright, so once we have gone into the wallet section, here what we want to do is click on receive. And then you will choose receive tokens via address. Okay, so from here you will create the token address for the specific cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So for example, Bitcoin here, it is going to show us this. You just want to click on the two papers to copy the address. After you have copied the address, we will go into Safepal. Here, log into your Safepal account and you will select send. You can choose your Bitcoin, make sure it matches the same currency which you have chosen. Okay, so here click on send. Okay, and here you can enter the address, so you will just press and hold on to it and paste the address that we copied. Okay, so from here you will type the amount and then send the cryptocurrency over, and then you can cash out. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.